Hi everyone, so it's Vlogmas Day 2 and it's another frosty start to the campus at the University of Surrey this morning. So I'm a lecturer, I'm Caroline, I work in the physics department here at Surrey, and this December I'm doing Vlogmas for the very first time. It's a weekday, which means it's lecturing. So I have a class this afternoon 2 till 4 with the first year students. We're doing the fundamentals of physics, so this afternoon it's all about electricity and magnetism. So I'm about to go in, put my stuff in my office, settle down and then have a look at my notes for this afternoon. So behind me is the back entrance to the physics department. If I go down you can just see it, it goes all the way up. It's 4 floors and there's a lot of building noise going on around the corner. I think people are unloading something, so let's go inside. Is the student common room, so lecturers aren't really meant to be in here, but because there's no students in here I thought I'd sneak in and show you around. So behind me there's a seating area, there's cushions, there's bean bags, there's weird plants that are fake. I'm not really sure what that is. Place for our undergraduate students, they can come in any point, have a sit down, get a coffee between their lectures, have a snooze on the bean bags. But anyway, we should probably get out because, yeah, this is for students only, not for lecturers. So when I come into my office, first thing I usually do is open up the blinds. So, it's a very dirty window. What I'll do is I'll turn on my computers, always turn them off over the weekend. So turn them on, fire that up, put my light on. Oh, did it blow? No, all good, lights on. Next thing I do is, this is my office dog and I use him as a doorstop, so I just kick him into my door very gently, and everybody knows if the head is pointing out you can come and disturb me, and if I put him so his bottom's pointing out it means I need to be left alone because I'm busy. This morning I'm going to have a quick look at my notes. I co-teach a first year course. It's called Fundamentals, so Fundamentals of Physics, and today we're in week 9 of the course, and then as a sneaky peek, things we'll be covering in class today, we're going to look at where to place a proton if there's 2 charges, so one's negative and one's positive charge sitting on the x-axis, and then I've got them a fun activity. I'm going to fire up my computer, check my emails and have a look through my notes. So I've spent the last couple of hours, I've worked through some emails, I've responded to some collaborators, made sure my lecture notes were in the right place for this afternoon. I've now just gone out and bought some soup, so my soup for lunch. My millionaire shortbread for my lecture this afternoon for the student who correctly works out the electrostatic force on charge Q1. So we're going to have my lunch, and then I've probably got a bit of time to look at a research paper before I need to go and teach. So yeah, lunchtime. That's my lecture done for today. So the students have gone on to mathematics now and I'm going back to my office to edit the lecture, so I'll bring you guys with me. It was an hour and 50 minutes, but we had a break in the middle. We had a quiz, which was quite good fun, and I set the students a challenge to answer that question with Q1, and one of the students absolutely nailed it. Got the answer perfect, so he won the millionaire shortbread. But now I've got to go back to my office, and in the last hour here on campus I'm now going to edit my lecture that I've just given so the students can see it if they want to at home using our electronic recording system that we have in the university lecture theatres. So back to the office. Just meet somebody. I met the admissions tutor for biosciences and he's promised to be in a future vlog. Pass the boards again, and here we are back at the Department of Physics. Let's go edit a video. To my office and quickly edit the video, so I have to cut out any students that I filmed, any YouTube clips that I've used, and then I do that, and I try to do that within about half an hour, 40 minutes of the lecture, and then this goes up online, and then the students enrolled on the course can review the lecture. So basically I have to sit here watching myself give the lecture and then edit the video so the students get the content they need. It's a bit weird having to edit yourself immediately having given the lecture. And anytime the students don't laugh at your jokes, this delightfully catches it. But anyway, I'll go back to my editing, and then hopefully you can go out to the students for 5 o'clock tonight. So that's my lecture, all edited. So turn off the computer, that can all shut down. Time to close up my office and then head home. Today, the blinds are all shut up. I'm going to wrap myself up nice and warm, head back to the car, go home, and then do one more check of my emails, and then prepare some bits and pieces for later on in the week. So day 2 of Vlogmas. Bye.